somebody say yoga and call me?
Yeah. So we'll get started in child's pose, bringing the big toes together, knees apart, stretching the arms out long, and then melting your forehead down to the earth. Just close your eyes. Begin to take some deep breaths. Just allowing this time to ground yourself in the here and now.
Just come straight back into downward facing dog. Exhale back. Breathing in and out for a few breaths. Maybe pedaling out the feet if you need some movements to start to open up the backs of the legs. Take as much space as you need between your feet.
So on your inhale, we'll drop your belly, lift your tailbone, reach your heart forward. And on your exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, the low belly draws in. Move with your breath.
Hands down. You step back into your lunge here. So the right foot steps back, heel is up. Inhale. Arms reach up as you even out the hips. Square them off to the front of the mat. Lifting the left arm up. This is a supported side plank. You can hold here with that left foot in front, keeping the hips as stacked as possible in this position. Or if you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you can begin to extend your left leg in front of you and bring it back left foot over right foot. So this is a full side plank, also known as Vashisthasana in your Sanskrit. So holding here or in your modified.
Left hand stays down. On your inhale, we'll reach the right arm up to the sky. Work towards squaring your chest towards the right wall. And on your exhale, we'll thread that right arm under the left, reach as far as you can, melt the shoulder and head down. You can stay here, walk the left fingers up overhead. Maybe even that left hand threads behind the low back. You can even extend that left leg down the mat, maybe even floating. Inhale, slowly bring the left hand back alongside. Reach the right arm back up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, tabletop. Moving to the other side, right hand stays down. Inhale, left arm reaches up, chest squaring towards the left wall. Exhale, thread it through, reach as far as you can, melting shoulder and head down.
We're gonna shift into a warrior two, so my feet just shifted. I'm still leading with my right foot as I unbind, reach my arms out, but my left foot is now parallel to the back of the mat. So wide stance here for this. Breathe in your warrior two. If you feel tight in the shoulders, you can take the palms up. Inhale, and then place them back down. Exhale, sink into it, front knee over ankle alignment. This is also called Virabhadrasana B.
Imagine that your hip bones are like headlights on a car and they're shining forward. Now when you have your hips facing forward, a lot of times that back knee tends to cave in. You don't want that. You're putting stress on your knee that will cause injury. So you want to press the outer edge of that foot down, really pressing it down. Now another thing with that foot placement, do not have it pointing back. You got two options. Have it parallel with the back of your mat, or have it about 40 degrees, 45 degrees facing forward. So that's the back leg. Outer edge pressed down, foot either parallel or in a bit. Front leg, knee directly over ankle. Right? A lot of people have a narrow stance and their knee juts forward. No. Leg farther forward, knee directly over ankle. Now ideally that front leg will be parallel with the ground, but if you're not there, that's fine. You can have it a little higher. So with hands at hips, knee over ankle, pressing outer edge, now you put the arms up, right? A lot of people like to wear their shoulders like earrings. No, you bring it down and back. Spiraling the pinkies in, right? This engages the arms. So with the pinkies, just a little spiral in, right? Deep sink in that leg. Remember to keep pressing the outer edge of that foot down. And you breathe. This is your warrior one.
We're gonna go into a reverse warrior. So take the right palm up behind you, tuck the left arm behind the back, draw the left shoulder down and back, and then start to reach back towards the space behind you. Lengthen through the fingertips and sink into that front knee over ankle alignment. You want to avoid dumping into the lower back, so keep the lower stomach tight to support the lumbar curve. Press into the ball of the right foot. Turn the feet to parallel position, feet hip distance, and come into a chair pose. Utkatasana, this is called. Sinking down low and just checking in as you sink back into the 3 balance points of the feet, that the knees aren't shifting over the tips of the toes as you reach up. A little bend in the elbows is fine if you're tight in the shoulders.
Hey, thanks again. Don't forget to check out that free report down below in the pinned comment. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Namaste.